Good morning, my lovely peeps, and welcome back to my channel. And how are you guys doing on this wonderful, beautiful Saturday morning? So anyway, guys, I just want to come and have a little chit chat with my lovely peeps and present to you my breakfast. Start off the grits with some eggs. You guys want to buy? What do you guys say? My turn. That's good, guys. So, this is a lovely Saturday. What you guys doing for the weekend, Let me know, guys. Put down on the link below. Comments below. Let me know what my lovely peeps are doing. I appreciate you guys so much. I really do. Okay, I'm going to talk to my lovely peeps today. Sorry for the smacking, guys. I'm hungry. That was so good. I put a little syrup on them French toast sticks. These are really good. I make this with some cinnamon, but that's okay. Let's eat. So what you guys doing tonight? Y'all have some plans tonight? God is so good. All the time, God is good. God, I don't even know what to do now. My significant other. I made it well. You guys will see in time. Talk every day. It's my honey. But anyway, guys, I got me down here. Have a chit chat with my lovely peeps this morning. see what you guys is up to. I appreciate you guys so much. Always remember to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I come up with any more videos or lives. Hit that subscribe button. Come join the lovely peeps. That like button. I hope you like my video. Let's share so we can get more lovely peeps to the family. Yes, guys. So anyway. More than first, I have to give my Father all the glory and the honor and the praise. Thank you, Heavenly Father. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus, for being there. Being so good, God. I'm saying, God is so awesome. I don't know what to do without Him. So, anyway, I forgot to get on here and have a chit chat with my other people. And today, that's so good. So good and cool. Shout out to Sam's World, my darling. Congratulations to be loved and left. For your smackingly delicious sauce. And when you get up here, you guys make a mild sauce too. If anyone you probably haven't planned, but Beth knows how to make. I notice when she does collabs with different YouTubers, she had made it mild for people. And some people can't eat real hot spicy stuff.